Ever wondered how to start your own container garden? Well, we've got you covered. Container gardening is a fantastic way to grow plants in small spaces, and it offers the flexibility to garden anywhere. So, are you ready to plant your first container garden? Let's dive in. First things first, you need to choose the right container. A myriad of options await you, from plastic to terracotta. But remember, drainage is key. Each material has its strengths and drawbacks, so weigh your options. Remember, the container you choose can make or break your garden, so choose wisely. Now that you've got your container, it's time to select your plants. Consider the plant's size and growth habits. Start with easy-to-grow ones like marigolds or basil. Picking the right plants is crucial, but don't be afraid to experiment and find what works for you. You've chosen your container and your plants, now it's time to get planting. Start by filling the container with soil. Next, place your plant and water it gently. Regular care is essential, so don't forget to water and fertilize. And there you have it, your very own container garden. But remember, a garden is a living thing that needs care and attention. And that's a wrap on our beginner's guide to container gardening. Remember, choosing the right container, selecting the perfect plants, and providing proper care can lead to a thriving garden. Embrace the joy that comes from nurturing your own green space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!